Hello everybody, how's it going? I'm sure you're aware that Windows 11 will be around the corner later this year, and there are a lot of insider builds that a lot of you want to try out. Now, one of the major snags you might encounter is when you run the PC health check to determine if you have the right components for Windows 11. You click on Check Now, and this message pops up requiring you to run TPM 2.0. TPM, if you don't know, stands for Trusted Platform Module, and it is a cybersecurity feature that will help protect your computer from harmful viruses and whatnot. The first way to resolve this problem is you can get a TPM module from Newegg or Amazon, and they range up to $15 to $40. Or I can show you the easy way to resolve this, and this is for motherboards that have the feature built in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Restart. Now we will want to repeatedly hit Delete in order to access the BIOS. Okay, so here we have a standard UEFI BIOS. This is on an Asus X570E Strix motherboard with an AMD processor, but this should apply to any new motherboards that have this feature built in. So what we'll want to do is we will want to go to Advanced. You can either use the cursor to click on Advanced, or you can use the arrows on your keyboard to go there. And now we will want to go to AMD FTPM configuration. If you have an AMD processor in your computer, this is what it will look like. If you have an Intel processor, it should just say Intel TPM configuration or whatever. Also, a lot of motherboards may have this advanced feature, and this is probably where you will find it. Anyways, we will hit enter to access that, and then we will want to go down to TPM device selection, and it is currently on discrete TPM, which basically disables the TPM. So what we'll want to do is click enter and then change it to firmware TPM, and it will give you a notice saying that this whole TPM thing will work with Windows BitLocker. It's just some important information you should have in mind. And then you want to click OK. And then once that's enabled, we will want to tap F10 on the keyboard to save changes and reset. And now we can restart the computer. Okay, so now that we have the computer restarted, we can go back into PC Health Check and then click on Check Now. And now it confirms that we can run Windows 11 on this computer. And that is how you resolve the TPM 2.0 error that is preventing you to upgrade to Windows 11. If you have any other errors, let me know in the comments below, and I will try to resolve them for you. Thank you for subscribing. Please be sure to like this video and check out some of my other videos too.